The client approached us, looking to reduce their storage requirements. They were running out of LLW storage space and were having to build closer to the site boundary. We started looking at the most efficient ways to reduce the volume of waste that needed to be stored. We created a model of their processing facility in Simulate so that we could understand how best to improve things like capital and operational expenditure costs and the stored volume of processed waste. The model could consider adding equipment like incinerators, supercompactors, metal recycling, and mechanical shredders working individually or in combination with each other, which made it possible to run different scenarios quickly and easily. Through this model, we calculated that using some combination of a supercompactor, mechanical shredder, and metal recycling was the optimum solution. This showed the client clearly what the best strategy was and how to implement it.